Let's talk about Toshi real quick. You guys are welcome to today's video. I hope your weekend went well. If you're paying attention, we are currently in a bloodbath, and the truth of the matter is, what will your excuse be this time? Because the market has presented you guys an entry opportunity, a massive entry opportunity. And in this video, we're going to discuss the next potential price move for Toshi. And not to forget, we are also briefly going to talk about the BTC dominance on the monthly time frame, the BTC liquidation heat map on the 1 month time frame, the Toshi liquidation heat map on the 1 week time frame. And not to forget, we are also briefly going to talk about the Ethereum price chart in order to get a clear picture as to what to expect next. And not to forget the 2-3 market cap, the Ethereum dominance chart. I gave you guys the heads up of this reversal on the Ethereum dominance chart in our previous video. I specifically pointed you guys to the weekly bearish breaker block on the Ethereum dominance chart, and I told you guys I'm expecting a pullback on the Ethereum dominance. The pullback is already happening. We are left with 6 days and 14 hours until this current weekly candle closes. Ethereum dominance is currently at 13.56%. Now, we are also going to talk about the BTC price chart. If care is not taken, we might get a pullback, a final pullback to around the between the $12,000 zone and also $110,000 zone for the BTC price. If that pullback is happening from the current BTC price of $115,250, we should be expecting a -4% correction. Same with Ethereum. If the pullback is happening for Ethereum, which I'm anticipating maybe to around the $4,000 level, we should be expecting a 6% to 7% correction for Ethereum from this current price of $4,290. And the BTC dominance on the weekly time frame, we are also briefly going to talk about this as well. The community sentiment is still bullish on Toshi. We are currently at 87% bullish, 13% bearish. Now, before we proceed in this video, my name is Isaac. For those new to this channel, you're welcome. If you're here to like this video, please smash the like button, destroy the like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Smash the subscription button, turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video. You're welcome to today's video once again. Let's proceed. The current market cap of Toshi has dropped below $300 million. We are currently at $282 million. In our previous video, I told you guys the moment you guys see Toshi market cap below the $300 million level market cap, that is an entry opportunity. That is a discount zone. Now, a few weeks from now, you won't have anybody to be blamed. You will be left with no excuse to give for not entering Toshi at a massively discounted zone. Now, let's go back to the Toshi chart. If you're paying attention, we are currently trading around 0.00067. And I told you guys in the previous video, a correction from where the price was then, we are going to consolidate around this level for Toshi. But if we are getting a flash crash, then I'm expecting to buy more. I will be doing that. You understand? I would even prefer the price to drop further to this 0.00061 or between 0.00061 and also 0.00058 is where I'll be waiting to enter into another massive position on Toshi before the vertical reversal to the upside. The vertical reversal, the V reversal, is going to take a lot of people by surprise. That's just the truth. I told you guys in the previous video, I'm expecting a correction in the entire market between August 22nd to August 25th. I never knew it was going to begin earlier than expected. The market is currently in a bloodbath. Most meme coins, altcoins are down. BTC is also down. I think White is taking the highest beat in here. White is down -31% in the last 24 hours alone, which is nasty if you ask me. Jasmine is down -5.7%. Toshi is down -7.9%. That is almost 8%. ZBCN is down -3%. Useless is down -10%. XCN is down -6%. Popcat is down -5%. Jeez. The altcoins are taking the hardest beat right now. If you're paying attention to the Toshi liquidation heat map on the 1 week time frame, we have over $130,000 worth of liquidity still seated around 0.0084 level. That is to say, by the time the V recovery happens, we are going to shoot straight to that level first correct a little bit, and then shoot straight again to the upside. Now, the recovery is going to take a lot of people by surprise, and you won't even have time to get an entry. That's why you have to be fearful when others are greedy and be greedy when others are fearful. Now, if you're paying attention to the entire cryptocurrency market fear and greed index market sentiment, you will notice we are currently seated at 60%, which is greed. I think we are now gradually going back into the fear zone. Yesterday was 64, last week was 70, last month was 74. But now we are now at 60, almost changing to yellow, gradually moving back to the fear zone. So I would even want it, like I'm very, very serious, because I really, really want to get another second juicy opportunity. I think I clipped $2,500 into Toshi. That was about 2 to 3 weeks ago, getting to 3 weeks ago now. I would still want to like get another entry if Toshi presents that opportunity. I would gladly accept it. Opportunity around between 0.00061 and also 0.00058. I'll clip another, I think my final entry into Toshi before the V reversal to the upside, the vertical reversal to the upside. So fingers crossed, the moment we are flipping the 0.00075 zone into a clean support with at least 3 bullish daily candles, forget about it. It's going to be a massive send. We are still expecting the rate cut in September, which is going to mark the beginning of the end for this market cycle. If you're paying attention to the BTC liquidation heat map on the 1 month time frame, you will notice there's no liquidity to the downside. That is to say, even if we are to crash down, it will be to like clear the final minor long positions there before getting the V reversal to the upside. Where we have most of the liquidity seated on the monthly time frame for BTC is around $120,000 level. And we have over $355 million worth of liquidity there. Now, if you're paying attention to this BTC dominance chart on the monthly time frame, historically, the BTC dominance usually bottoms around the 39% level. Now, I wouldn't wait for the 39% level before I exit my altcoins holding, including Toshi. To be on the safer side, by the time, let's go back to this BTC dominance chart real quick. To be on the safer side, by the time the BTC dominance gets to the 47% level, 47-48% level, I will start scaling out of my altcoin position. Scale out a bit. Don't try to time the exact exit because you won't be able to do that. To be on the safer side, the best thing to do is to scale out bit by bit. By the time the BTC dominance retraces to 48-47, I'll start scaling out from my altcoin positions. And by the time we enter into the 44-42% territory, that is where I will scale out massively, almost selling everything. Because I wouldn't want to time the exact bottom to avoid the smart monies dumping on me, exiting before I do. Total trade market cap might end up losing the $1 trillion zone this time around. We might end up retracing into the $900 billion zone for the total trade market cap excluding BTC and Ethereum. So fingers crossed. From the look of things, if you're paying attention, we are way behind. So I think what is likely to happen is going to be a massive V reversal for altcoins, and also a massive dump, a sudden massive dump on the monthly time frame. You're going to see a massive like monthly candle dump because that was what happened in 2017 altcoin season. We got a massive bearish candle on the monthly time frame for the BTC dominance, followed by another bearish candle. Now, if you paid attention, we are still far behind. So what I'm expecting is a massive monthly candle dump on the BTC dominance, followed by another final monthly candle leg down. Let's see, fingers crossed. As always, my name is Isaac. Invest wisely. Like this video if you haven't already. Peace out.